non-epistosis gene interactions. In these gene interactions, epistosis genes are absent and also hypostosis genes also absent. Every gene, either it is in dominant position or in recessive position, they can express their own characters or colors based on the situation. So non-epistosis gene interactions are following types. First one is complementary genes. The complementary genes means one dominant gene expressed one character, that same character expressed by another dominant gene. One character expressed by one dominant gene, the same character expressed by the another dominant gene. These two phenotypes are similar, but the genes are different. If these two different genes are mixed to form one zygote, and in that zygote they expressed a new color or new character, this type of genes are called complementary genes. The complementary genes explained with best example, Lathyrus odoratus, flower colors. Lathyrus odoratus is the sweet pea. The sweet pea flower colors are mainly two types. They are white and purple color. Here it is, the parental generations are containing white color flowers, but the two parental plants are with different genes. The phenotypic character is similar. What is the similar phenotypic? White color flowers. The parental generations are two. The two parental generations are expressed the same phenotype. They containing white color flowers. Here it is, the genotypic alleles are from one parental generations, capital C, small p. The white color expressed by the capital C gene. In the same another parental generation, the white color flowers expressed by capital P gene. So these are small c, capital P in one parental generation genotype, capital C, small p are the one parental generation genotypes. From these two parental generations, capital C, small p gamete, small c, capital P gametes are developed. They are fused to form a zygote. The zygote is in heterozygotic condition. The heterozygotic condition is called F1 generation. The heterozygotic condition, zygote develop into plant, and these plants are expressed purple color flowers. How to express purple color flowers means the capital C gene complementary with capital P gene. Capital C gene complementary with capital P gene, they expressed purple color. So the F1 generation purple color flowers, Lathyrus odoratus, sweet pea purple color flowers are crossed with self cross to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, one parental plant produced capital C, capital C, small p, small c, capital P, small c, small p. Another F1 generation produced capital P, capital C, capital P, capital C, small p, small c, capital P, small c, small p. These are the gametes from one parental generation of F1. These are the gametes one parental generations of F1. These gametes are fused to form F2 generation. From this F2 generation, total 16 zygotes are formed. From these 16 zygotes, 9 zygotes are express phenotypic character expressed purple color flowers. The 9 zygotes are developed into 9 plants. The 9 plants are expressed purple color flowers based on the complementary genes. What is mean of complementary gene? Here it is C gene present on the chromosome. The chromosome containing of C gene, chromogen. The chromogen is convert into P gene. The P gene convert into anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is in purple color. Anthocyanin is in purple color. C gene chromosome of chromogen is changed P gene. It convert into anthocyanin. By this complementary gene of C and P, capital C and capital P, these are expressed purple color flowers of Lathyrus odoratus. See here it is, in any zygote capital C, capital P are present. They expressed only purple color flowers. They are in homozygotic condition or in heterozygotic condition. They expressed purple color flowers. If they are individual in position, capital C, only small p's, they expressed white color flowers. Here it is small c, capital P, capital small p. These are expressed white color flowers, mean the dominant genes are in individual position. The dominant genes are in individual position, they expressed white color flowers. And one more important point, if these small c, small p genes also expressed white color flowers, the small c, small p genes are in recessive position, at that time they expressed white color flowers only. So finally, in complementary genes, the F2 generation phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1 change into 9:7 only. 9:3:3:1 change into 9:7 only.